Hello everyone, welcome back to To Renew Crafts and Creations. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of DIY enthusiasts. Today, I have a super fun and easy project for you all, making a bird feeder using popsicle sticks, string, and glue. This is a fantastic project that you can do with your kids, friends, or even on your own as a relaxing craft. All right, let's get on to making this adorable bird feeder. You want to start by taking your glue. It has to be a waterproof glue, and you want to put a little dab on each side of the popsicle sticks, and we're going to make like a square, leaving each end of the popsicle stick sticking out just a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and glue down our second one. Little dab here, little dab there, and we'll press it down. Next, you just want to build your base. I'm just using all one color, but if you wanted it to be colorful on the base, you could absolutely use whatever colors you desire. There we have our base in place. So from here, you just want to build another square using your crafting sticks. I'm adhering glue all over the bottom of these two, just so that they stick to all of the sticks on the bottom. And then we'll do our 4 points of glue here. From this point, we're just going to add a little perch by using a half of a stick and gluing it in place. Now we just want to build our side walls up as if we're making a log cabin until your sides are to the height that you want them to be. I just happened to make mine so that it was one of each color of the colored crafting sticks that came in the packet. After you get it all made, just set it aside and let it dry. From here, you just want to take 2 pieces of string and tie them on each side of your bird feeder so you have something to hang it from outside. We'll go ahead and take some scissors and just snip those ends off, and then we're ready to go outside and hang our bird feeder. Add a little bird seed, and there you have it, your very own popsicle stick bird feeder. I hope you had as much fun making this as I did showing you how. Remember, the best part is watching the birds enjoy your creation. So until next time, happy crafting!